Hey guys, what's up? This is Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction coming to you today here from 37914, right near Holston Hills Golf Club off of Asheville Highway. I'm sitting here with my customer Kevin. Kevin, what's up, man? Thank you so much for the roofing work. We're gonna drop this on our website and on our YouTube channel, so I want folks to see about a little bit about this project that we just completed for you guys. Can you tell our audience anything about what we just did?
Well, they did a roofing job on the house, which is what's their business. Did a great job. One of the things that I liked about them is we had the roof repaired after storm damage about 3 years ago. When we did that, the outfit that sent guys out, they'd come out, work for 2 hours and leave.
Ooh.
Then they'd come out, work for 2 hours the next day and leave. They strung it out. They had some weather issues, but they strung it out over like 2 weeks. Kirby's guys, Lightspeed Construction, they were here, they were in and out in like 12 hours and did a great job.
The roof's steep, so I'm not gonna hate on my competition that might have gotten out here and been like, oh my gosh, I need to get off this darn roof after two. That's a steep roof, but man, we were glad to be here. And like you said, we definitely aim to be in and out of your hair where you guys can get on to, you know, getting family in and out of the home. Love the place real quick, man. This thing is awesome. Love being here. And I guess last question, what would you kind of mention to folks about sort of the beginning, the end of the process as far as bringing us on?
Well, brought you on because my son and daughter-in-law building a house. They put the roof on for their house. They were real pleased with them. But Kirby's real easy to work with, very responsive, texting and emailing. His whole outfit is, and brought the job in at the estimate and did a great job of cleaning up. Guys that were here a few years ago, they left shingles and trash all over the place. They did a great job of cleaning up, so really appreciated that. Highly recommend it.
Love the place. New roof looks great. Thank you so much for the chance to work on this. And yeah, we did the right, the left, and the front, like you were mentioning a couple of times. Formerly, the back was done by other vendors, and we tied in our stuff, which is a little unusual, but honestly, I think it looks great. We got a good match with shingle, everything coming in awesome.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Kevin. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.